Okay, that's probably not good. Not packed the greatest, but that is the 1914 Militaire. Vintage Bike Series. Wow, it's all like stapled in there. But yeah, it comes with a display stand, if you can see that in there. And then, yeah, once you're done, it has a stand. Wow. So that is the first of the three vintage bike series that I bought. And again, I already have the 1912 Henderson. Holy cow. That thing's huge. Oh, wow. Holy cow. I had no idea. 1 to 8. And I've seen some 1 to 6s out there. That must be gigantic. Yeah, I think they said that this had been painted, but that everything was here. And yeah, he painted it in a gloss black. So some sanding is going to be required when I get to this. And again, another one with a stand. That's kind of cool. Wow. Look at the size of those wheels. Holy cow. Oh, this is going to be cool. Okay, glad I put in a new shelf. I had no idea this was going to be this big. All right, good. It has decals. Okay, cool. Well, this should be fun. Another mail call. This one's way better packed than the last one was. And I have one more coming from this seller. Nice job. This is the 1924 Ace from that Oshima Vintage Bike Kit. Vintage Bike Set. Again with a stand. So yeah, these are pretty nice kits. These are going to be cool. All right, so that's basically the third out of the 4. I got one more coming. Mail call. And I got 2 arriving today, I believe. So I'm not exactly sure which this is. I believe this is the 3rd vintage kit, and it is. So that's the Harley Davidson 18F. Ooh, this one is not all stapled together. But looks like everything's there. Kind of good, maybe. You can see what's in here. So that's the base. Some wire and tires. That's 2 chrome sprues. 3 actually, a gold chrome. Decals. All right. Pretty cool. Nice. All right, so that completes the set. All 4 of the vintage bike series, albeit one not of this Oshima set, but the Intex set. But yeah, these are pretty cool kits. So I will add that to the stash, and I believe I have one more coming today. All right, busy day today. Another mail call. I think this is a model. Yep, it's a model. Yeah, I want to kind of get one of each manufacturer, so to speak, in this size. And so you saw the Kawasaki. I have the Yamaha Virago. So I was looking for a Suzuki. This is a very popular model, the Katana. And again, I'm scrolling, kept in my eye on a few until I saw a decent price, then made a counter offer and got it. That's kind of my modus operandi here. I like it if I can find them cheaper than what they're on Amazon for, and I'd rather do business with a hobby vendor, so to speak, than Amazon. So yeah, so the Suzuki GSX 1100S, and I haven't opened a lot of them. To me, I'm sure it's just going to be awesome. And yeah, it is. Nice. God, their chrome is so nice. And the other thing I like about it is it touches up with Molotow, with just a touch of Molotow, or you know, if you mask it, just a faint spray, and it blends right in. Listen to me sound like an expert on motorcycles, but yeah, cool. Nice, nice kit. All right, it's gonna go in the stash. Mail call. So my last Kawaii kit is here. So again, this is one of the 4. They make a Honda, a Yamaha, a BMW, and a American bike, whatever that is. So this is the Honda CV750. Fingers crossed, it's got decals. Awesome. So this is the last of the 4 Kawaii bikes, at least the kits that make up the set. And like I said, it's basically 4 kits. They try to sell it as 8 with 2 sets of decals. All right, so that completes my motorcycle binge. So put that on the shelf, number 3. And yeah, so now I have, you know, kind of the big ones, the 1 to 8s, I think those are 1 to 9s. A couple of a set of 4 1 to 16s of the vintage series. The Honda, the Kawasaki, and the Suzuki are 1 to 12s to go along with the Virago up there. And then the 4 Kawaii kits, which are 1 to 20, and then I have 8 of that set of 8 Sunni kits. So that'll do it for the motorcycle stash for quite a while, unless I find a super good deal on something that really tweaks my interest. So at some point I'll be digging into another one of those, but at the very least I'm set for the motorcycle group build, I think, for a while. And I've been wanting to do a 48-hour group build, and I'm positive I can knock 1 or 2 of those out in 48 hours. So I'm sure there'll be a bunch of opportunities to build these going forward. For now, back to airplanes and the 80th anniversary build. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.